Okay, for those who were asking, how do I now locate my recorded video or audio files on Telegram? Okay, for those who miss how to record and how to set up your schedule your meetings, you can watch our previous video on that, and always subscribe to our channel for you to get updates regularly. So, how do I locate my saved video on Telegram? As you can see, I'm already logged in onto my Telegram, and so how do I locate? On the immediately after the meeting, when you have stopped recording and when you have ended the meeting, you look at the list of the folders you have on your Telegram. You see saved messages. Yes, saved messages. As I just clicked there, under all your recordings, either audio recordings or video recordings, will be saved under saved messages. And there you go, saved messages. This was our last session that I used to explain to you. So here is the audio file and here is the video file that I recorded. And of course, you can send or forward directly to the group members or to the group from here. Let's say I want to forward to our group where the meeting was held. I will click on that icon that says, this forward. After I right click on the video or on the audio or on both. You can select, for you to be able to select both. Then you right click, forward selected, and you forward to that group immediately, meeting group. And of course, you can send it with a caption. Here is the video of our last meeting, and there you go. You send it and everybody in the group can access that video. So I believe I've been able to answer your question. You can send in your comments, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like our channel. See you next video.